Today we, Neelav Chetia and Kumar Kartik from team Flying Svis will show our project known as Speedocopter. Our project focuses on solving a serious environmental problem in India, which is deforestation. Forests in India are rapidly disappearing due to urban expansion and deforestation. Forests absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen, and prevent soil erosion, and help regulate rainfall and climate. When forests are destroyed, the balance of nature is disturbed. This leads to a rising temperature, loss of biodiversity, and destruction of wildlife habitats. If this continues, it can seriously harm India's environment and future generations. Our solution to help address this problem, we designed and built the Speedocopter, a drone capable of distributing seeds across large areas of land. One of the most important parts of our project is the custom seed dropping machine. We designed this mechanism ourselves and manufactured it ourselves. The dropper is mounted beneath the drone and releases seeds in a controlled way while flying. It allows seeds to be spread evenly across targeted areas, as our drone can carry a payload of up to 4 to 5 kilograms, which means it can plant a large number of seeds in a single flight. Our Seedocopter demonstrates how accessible drone technology can be for practical environmental applications through faster and more efficient seed distribution, by supporting deforestation efforts in areas affected by deforestation faster and using less manpower. Our vision our vision is to use drone technology to help restore forests and create a greener future for India. It's also used to restore and create It's also used for planting trees on a large scale using traditional methods, which are slow and expensive. It also requires a large number of manpower and equipment. In many cases, environmental programs are delayed due to poor planning and corruption. By using drones for seed dispersal, we can bypass many of these challenges and plant seeds quickly across large areas. Through this project, we want to show how innovation and technology can be used to solve real environmental problems and inspire others to think about sustainable solutions. Parts used. Our drone is built using the F450 drone frame, which is strong, lightweight, and stable for flight. The system uses a Pixoc flight controller, which acts as the main microcontroller controlling the drone's flight. A GPS module is included for positioning and navigation, while a gyro helps in maintaining balance and stability during flight. This drone is powered by a 2S LiPo battery, which provides efficient power for sustained flight. For propulsion, we use 1000 kilowatt brushless DC motors, which connected to an electronic speed controller regulates motor speed. Finally, the drone is operated using a 6-channel FlySky i6X transmitter, which allows for a smooth and long-range remote control. In conclusion, the Seedocopter demonstrates how accessible drone technologies can be used for environmental restoration. Thank you.